you would have summer solstice, which means there's more light than darkness. On this side, you'd have the winter, so there's more darkness than light. Alright, this is the Egyptian god Horus. He was essentially known as the sun god. Always had a sun symbol above his head. We get a lot of our words from the word Horus. For example, hours, the name of Horus. Horus is risen, horizon. So we get a lot of present day words from it. And the idea is that each day, Horus, the god of light, would battle with Set, the god of darkness, and it would win. So you'd have a day of light. And then in the evening, they would fight and Set would win. So you'd have the darkness for the day. And this would go on for eternity. The life story of Horus, I want to run through this really quickly because it's a hell of a list, but see if anything rings a bell. He was born to a virgin, his only son of God. He was of royal descent. He was born in a cave or a stable. He was announced by an angel, held up by a star. He was born in December, probably 25th. He was witnessed by shepherds. A king tried to murder him, made a ritual at the age of 12. He was baptized in the rivers. He was later beheaded, the baptizer was. He had 12 disciples. He walked on water, he raised the dead. He was crucified and then descended into hell. Dionysos and Mithras. There it is. From baby who was constantly drinking wine, symbol of joy and all that. Always had a piss in every pit. The basic life of these. Virgin birth. They were born on December 25th. They were witnessed by shepherds. They were both baptized. And then eventually ascended to heaven until the days of destruction, revelations, etc., etc. But you may ask why? Why? These are just examples, but there's hundreds, not thousands of gods that shared exactly the same. They were born on the 25th, died for 3 days. Well, people believe it's astrological reasons. I'm sure all of you know Orion's belt because it's in Men in Black film. So it's the 3 stars of the sky, and Sirius, which is the brightest star in the sky, known as the East Star. And on December 24th, these 4 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4 would align to create a perfect line. They're known as the 3 kings in the day. So they would align with the brightest star Sirius. On December 25th, they would point towards the sun. So the sun would rise here. So on December 25th, you have the 3 kings, the star and the sun. Now, how do you get a story out of that? Well, the 3 kings would follow the star leading to the sun, leading to God. So the 3 kings found the star in the sky and then it brought them to God. Virgo. This is the basic story of how Mary was born, the mother of Jesus. She's known as Virgo the Virgin. Her symbol is the altered M symbol, which is this one here. Is anyone Virgo here?
Yeah.
What date is it? What is it, August?
September.
September.
No, it's August.
Late August, early September.
Mm-hmm.
This is why so many virgin mothers have the name beginning with M. So you have Myra, you have the Buddha's mum Maya, or you have Mary, because this relates to the Virgin. The winter solstice. What happens in the winter solstice? Days become shorter and colder. Now this is known for thousands of years as the sun's death. On December 22nd, the sun's at its lowest point in the sky for the entire year. And it remains here for 3 days in a constellation called the Cross. After the 3 days, the sun rises on 25th, and this brings longer days, warmth and spring. Here's the cross. So 21st, it starts to go all the way down here. It stays at the lowest point on the cross for 3 days, and on the 25th, it rises again. So it dies on the cross. It died for 3 days, and was resurrected 3 days afterwards. Here's some photos about Christian sun gods. So that's the halo. It was never mentioned in the Bible, the halo. However, it's basically a sun above all the heads. There's a pope with a sun symbol. He doesn't know why he's holding it, but he is. Sun symbol in his hat. And there's all present day symbols, all of which have a sun on it. Just have any questions?
Yeah, you talk about the Southern Cross related to Christianity, but it's not visible in the Northern Hemisphere.
This is the Northern Hemisphere. The Southern Cross was.
I don't think it is.
Absolutely.